Today, I'll show you how to delete labels in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open your Planner board inside Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now open the plan where you want to delete or remove labels. In Microsoft Planner, labels are the colored tags you can add to tasks. They help you organize work by priority, category, department, status, or project type. Before we continue, it is important to know that Microsoft Planner does not usually let you fully delete a label color from the plan. The label colors stay available, but you can remove labels from tasks or clear the label names. To remove a label from a task, click the task card to open it. Look for the colored labels inside the task details window. If a label is currently selected, it will usually be highlighted or checked. Click the selected label again to turn it off. Now that label is removed from the task, close the task window and check the task card. The colored label should no longer appear on that task. If you want to remove the same label from other tasks, repeat the same steps. Open each task, click the selected label to unselect it, and close the task. If you want to clear the label name, open any task in the same plan. Find the label you want to clear. Click the label name or edit option, delete the text, and leave it blank if Planner allows it. You can also rename the label to something else like unused, old label, or do not use. This does not delete the label color, but it helps your team know that the label should not be used anymore. If you want to find all tasks using a label, use the filter option at the top of the board. Click filter, then choose the label you want to remove. Planner will show the tasks that have that label. Now open each task and turn off the label. When you are done, clear the filter to see all tasks again. So, to keep it simple, Microsoft Planner does not usually let you completely delete label colors, but you can remove labels from tasks, clear or rename label names, and use filters to find all tasks using a label. And that's how you delete labels in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.